Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger video. In this video, I will reveal Hostinger plans in detail. There are three most popular plans including premium, business and cloud setup. Along with this, a special discount coupon code through which you can get as much as up to 89% discount. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be led to a page like this. Now before I discuss regarding the Hostinger plan, there are a few things which I want to tell you regarding why I opted for Hostinger. First of all, 30 days money back guarantee is coming with all of their plans, which it was one of the reasons why I opted for Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you can see around 65,000 reviews on Trustpilot. That's a very good number. And see 4.7 rating out of 5, which is just amazing for any web hosting company, because with the number of complaints, it's very difficult to get this amazing ratings. 4.7 out of 5 is just amazing with 65,000 people. And if we look around in the reviews, 5 star, 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 1 4 star, and then 5 star. So see, the reviews are also very satisfying. This was another reason why I opted for Hostinger. Yeah, I am here with a special discount deal for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I'm going to describe in this video to get this amazing discount from Hostinger. Now you can look around. Hostinger has been featured on all of the famous companies around the globe, which was another reason why I opted for Hostinger. Hostinger also comes with a website builder, which can create websites within minutes. Hostinger also supports WordPress, and you can also migrate to Hostinger if you are using another hosting company and wanted to shift to Hostinger. They have a dedicated service. Now, without wasting much of your time, directly move to the plan, which I want to discuss in detail, because in this plan, I am going to discuss three of their common plan: premium, business, and cloud setup. So the first plan is premium plan. Now if you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code, you're gonna get up to 85% off, in the business 89% off, and in the cloud up to 81% off, plus additional freebies as well. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code in case if you plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger. So I used the premium plan for the first year and my experience so far was very good. So let's discuss the premium plan. In the premium plan, you can create up to 3 websites. You have an option of 20 GB SSD storage, 2 mailboxes per website. You're also getting free domain for the first year. SSL weekly auto backups are included as well. Website builder is also included. From the second year onwards, I moved to the business plan, which I'm using from the last 4 years. So first year this, and then 4 years business plan. Now, what's special in the business plan? I'm going to do a comparison of the business in the premium with the first, and then cloud with the later. So if you discuss with the premium, the business plan has up to 50 websites. In the premium, you can host up to 3 websites. So it is a great addition. So anyone who want to host more websites, the business plan is the way to go as compared to premium plan. The second is you are getting world's fastest NVMe storage, and that too 50 GB. Now that is much higher than 20 GB over here. So 20 GB SSD versus 50 GB NVMe. NVMe is faster plus more storage. You're also getting 5 mailboxes per website. You're also getting free domain in addition to daily and on-demand backups. You can see you can get everything in premium plus daily on-demand backups, e-commerce website with AI support, AI agent, ready to go WordPress in sites in minutes, maximum website speed with a free CD and content delivery network is also included, and you can manage sites easier with WordPress multi-site. So this is the plan I'm using from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good. And if you ask me, my recommendation is the business plan as well. It is also the most popular plan. Now let's discuss the third plan, which is the cloud setup. So it is much more powerful, and it is for those who want to get their website 100% of the time, without any downtime, 100% uptime guaranteed, because with the cloud, your website is hosted on multiple locations rather than a single location. But the bad side of the cloud setup is it's way expensive but more powerful, big websites, use cloud setup. But if you are a normal or a businessman, or if you want to host up to 50 websites, a business plan is very good. And if you just want to host single websites, the premium plan is very good. But with the cloud setup, you can host up to 100 websites. Yeah, you have 100 GB of world fastest NVMe storage. You can host 10 mailboxes per website free for the first year, plus everything in premium, business, and plus in the cloud setup, you're getting priority expert 24/7 support, peak traffic with a power boost, extra control and stability with a dedicated IP, 1100 PHP workers for busy sites, 2M indoors to scale your files, 4 GB RAM. So you're getting a lot more features over here. So just for a revision, if you are a newbie or just want to host a single website, or a company not more than who want to host 3 websites, the premium plan is very good. If you are site concerned, the speed concerned, and either if you have one website but you have a big website, then the business plan is very good. You can host up to 50 websites, plus you have 50 GB of NVMe storage. But if you want to host more than 50 websites, or if you want more space, or if you are a big company, only then go for the cloud setup. Otherwise, the business plan is very good, and you are getting as much as up to 89% off if you click on the link in the description and use as of the coupon code. Now select the choose plan with this plan to get amazing discount. I'm going to show you, for those who want to buy hosting from Hostinger, use my special discount link, then follow this to get as much as up to 89%. So once you select the choose plan, now you are being landed over here. Now you can see your business plan over here. Now with this, you can see this is a special deal from my audience. You're getting 3 extra months free as well with a 48 months plan, which is why I recommend 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. These are special for my audience to take the maximum out of it. By opting for the 48 months, you can save the maximum amount of money. See your order summary over here, your business plan, everything. You can get a free domain right now by writing over here, or later on through the control panel as well. For instance, if you want to get it free for the first year, you can write it over here. I'm just showing you as an example. You can select anyone, and after this, make it 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything additional for this. And after see your over here, your business plan loaded. Now select have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply this for any of the plan, because this coupon code works on any plan. You can see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code on any of the plan to enjoy this amazing discount. So you can see you apply this and see everything over here. Now in addition to 79 plus 10% 89, you are also getting daily backup and 3 extra months and free domain as well free. So you can see your 30 days money back guarantee loaded. Now simply select the continue. Now you may be asked to log in. Let me log in and show you the final page. So I'm now logged in over here, and you can create a new account at Hostinger or synchronize with your Google account. So see your business plan loaded, everything over here. Now write your billing details over here and simply move to the last part, and after this select your payment method. Another thing I like to appreciate Hostinger is that they offer you variety of payment method. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose, and you can see that your pricing from 1076 to 172 because you have clicked on the special discount link, and this discount link is valid on any of the plan. So simply write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So just for the revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy this amazing hosting deal valid on any plan you're going to get from Hostinger. My experience is very good, and I highly recommend you to enjoy this amazing deals from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.